Simplicity rules with the Ocean Mist Plain Mirror by Affirmations Mirrors, available at Italtile. Rectangular mirrors give the illusion of width and height and are able to reflect more light, transforming rooms into well-lit spaces. Assembled in South Africa, Affirmations mirrors are coveted for their use of Pilkington Glass from Lancashire, universally recognized as the holy grail of glass. Best installed vertically, the Ocean Mist Plain Mirror features a decorative semi-clear and sandblast finish and forms part of the Pilkington Optimirror range, offering crystal clear color, clarity and a greater resistance to natural atmospheric corrosion. As with all of Italtile's Affirmations eco-chic mirrors, the Ocean Mist Plain Mirror carries the LiveGreen logo thanks to its sustainable design and manufacture that includes energy-efficient and eco-friendly materials. The Ocean Mist Plain Mirror is both functional and practical, with a neutral finish that will play along with any bathroom style.